In this video, we will discuss about the banking BPO and its services. The banking industry has gone through some very rough years starting back as early as 2007, and it will continue to encounter considerable uphill battles over the unforeseeable future. Many of its challenges resulted from banks' own actions, regulatory gaps, market pressures, and they were then perpetuated by other world events. Regardless of these drivers, banking will never be what it was before, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. The bottom line here is that banking industry will evolve in a dramatically different manner in the future. Those banks that survived and are in recovery phase will be taking time to evaluate their market positioning, customer segmentation models, product mixes, and risk models for each of their businesses. Banking executives are looking for new ideas from their business leaders, analysts, employees, and business partners. Senior level leaders who have historically not been open to talking about their challenges and goals are now becoming much more approachable. They are willing to share insights and strategy with those who can help them move their companies back into success positions. Now let's discuss about major banking BPO services mix. Services outsourced in the banking industry mainly cater to the segments like retail banking, mortgages, brokerage, card and payments, asset management, and research and analytics. This function comprises of core solutions of any bank. Focus on these services will improve bank's customer service, hasten the speed market time, and improve its core banking product capabilities. There are 5 main categories of outsourced core banking solutions. The first one is retail banking. This forms the bulk of the core banking services with a high involvement of customer interaction. Popular services include customer acquisition, bill payment, contact center services, and account management. The recent financial crisis has brought in a high demand for a regulatory control and management services. Risk management services help address strategic issues such as loss forecasting and risk-based capital allocation and pricing. The second point is mortgages. The post-economic crisis business environment has significantly changed the mortgage business with the focus on revenue generation while adhering to all governmental regulations. Key services within this domain include origination and closure, and more recently, reverse mortgages. The recent increase in housing demand has driven intensified importance of mortgage-related services such as underwriting. The third one is cards and payments. Cards have now become primary payment instrument globally. This has resulted in increased complexity for card businesses. The associated services deal with handling customer card inquiries and promotions. Market saturation has resulted in high degree of cross-selling while maintaining focus on issues including data security, customer privacy, and transaction speed. The fourth one is asset management. Banks that handle asset finance operate in a high-growth, high-risk operating environment with significant pressure on interest rate and their spreads. Services such as fund accounting and capital expenditure are increasingly outsourced to increase the flexibility and improve customer satisfaction for these financial institutions. And the fifth one is brokerage. Brokerage services such as account setup, maintenance, and advisor support, along with portfolio administration, are outsourced to help banks create better customer solutions and realize optimal operating models. So these were the 5 main categories of outsourced core banking solutions and how banks are taking help of business process management. Now, if you are looking to outsource some of the functions to a reliable contact center, I recommend you to consider Fatimites Information Technology. This company provides outsourcing services and is located in Srinagar, India. Fatimites Information Technology provides a much-needed talent pool for organizations around the world. This company has a vision to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers with state-of-the-art inbound and outbound contact center services. If you want to make your business profitable by acquiring new clients and offering the best-in-class customer service, then get in touch with Fatimites Info Tech now. Visit their website at www.fatimiteinfotech.com.